Okay, I'm just going to come right out and say it. This is one of the best home finds I have personally picked up in a long time. I actually purchased 3 sets of these myself, and I've been using them for about 6 months now, so I can honestly say these have been phenomenal. I'm going to show you them first in the daytime, and you can see what they look like installed. You can see here, I'm going to show you, it really just takes 2 screws here on either side at the top to screw them. I put them directly onto my fence. You can see here too, one of my favorite features is that they can stay on in a dim mode. They can be completely off. As soon as you can have them set that as soon as they detect movement, they switch to full brightness. You can have them on full brightness all the time. It's really up to you and what you prefer. I love that because you still get an ultra soft light if you want it, but then you get extra visibility exactly when you need it. I especially love that they are on that dim setting, but if I open the door and walk in the backyard at night to let the dogs out, suddenly I have a fully lit backyard. It's truly amazing. This is such a great feature for areas around your house where you want a little added light and security without having something blinding on at all times. It just makes them feel really practical for everyday use, and it also helps them feel a little more high-end than just your basic outdoor lights. After using 3 sets for the past 6 months, I can say they've held up really well and have been super reliable. It's always nice when you buy something on your own and it actually ends up being even better than you expected. The solar power in these has worked for me great, no problems whatsoever. Overall, these have been a great find and I'm really happy with them. If you're looking for outdoor lights that are solar powered with a dim setting and can be motion activated for full brightness, these are definitely ones to check out.